Yes, good morning, second class children. Very good morning to all. Are you all ready for the class? Okay, so I hope everyone is ready with the science class of note, isn't it? So listen here, and today morning I had sent some worksheets to complete the blanks. Okay, so teacher, you didn't give any option for us. Why? Because you tell me now. I will give the answer for your question. Because already teacher had explained the lesson. It is all related to your lesson only. If you listen my class, that is more than enough and you will get the answers. Okay children? So listen my class twice and thrice. Try to get the answers for the fill in the blanks. Okay? And I ask you two general questions about think and answers. Okay? It is a two questions I had given, I think so. You two try to give the answers. Whatever the actions you are doing, the physical exercise routine, that only you should have to mention in that. Okay? Now we will come to the class. Now I am going to give you some 4 or 5 question answers. Copy down very neatly and keep on writing the classwork and question answers, very neat work. Okay? I hope this class will be very clear for you all. If you complete the question answers, fill in the blanks also you have to complete in the classwork. Okay? నేను ఏమేమి ఇవాళ మార్నింగ్ ఇచ్చాను వర్క్షీట్ ఇచ్చాను మీకు ఫిల్ ద బ్లాంక్స్లో అండ్ థింక్ అండ్ ఆన్సర్స్ రైట్. సో థింగ్స్ టు డూ అవి కూడా మీరు ఏం చేయండి క్లాస్ వర్క్లో రాసుకోండి. ఓకే? ఏమి వర్క్ ఇచ్చామో టీచర్స్ మేము ఇవ్వడం అన్నీ మీరు క్లాస్ వర్క్లో రాసుకోవాలి. You have to write it in the classwork. Okay? Suppose if teacher is giving drawing, do the drawing. If I am giving pasting, don't worry. If you get the pictures, you paste. Or else simple you draw the pictures. And teacher won't give any tough pictures for you to draw or paste. Okay? If available pictures are available, you paste it. If pictures are not available, you can draw the pictures and color it very neatly in the science classwork. Now you had understand. Okay, so please start with the question answers. Take out a fresh page and write the heading question answers, name of the lesson, bones and muscles, lesson number 5. Okay, now come on, say now, how many bones found in our body? Yes, there are 206 bones found in our body. Okay, write very neatly children. Found in our body. Okay. Now second question. First listen the first question answer. Write cursive handwriting. How many bones found in our body? Okay. So there are, how many bones are there? 206 bones found in our body. Okay. Write only question one time. Again after question you leave a line children. You leave one line. Okay. The next one. What is a joint? What is a joint? What is a joint? J-O-I-N-T. Now I think everyone is giving the answer, isn't it? Okay, now come on, write now. The place where two bones, the place where two bones join, where two bones join is called a joint. Is called a joint. It's very easy now for your simple answer. Okay, it's called a J-O-I-N-T, joint. Without lifting your fingers, you should write a cursive handwriting children. What is a joint? I told you now, the place where two bones join is called a joint. Join together is called a joint. Okay. Write this question one time, answer one time. Okay. Now get ready for the third question. Get ready for third one. How many muscles are there in our body? Yes. How many muscles are there? Can you say? Yes. Third question. How many muscles are there in our body? How many muscles are there in our body? Are there in our body? Okay. Are there in our body. Come on, write now. Write the answer. There are more than 600 muscles in our body. Not less than. There are more than 600 muscles in our body. There are more than 600 muscles in our body. Write the spelling of body. In our body. What are the how many muscles are there in our body? There are more than 600 muscles in our body. O-U-R-B-O-D-Y. Body. Okay. There are more than 600 muscles in our body. How many muscles are there in our body? There are more than 600 muscles in our body. Okay. Next question. Fourth one. Fourth question. Be ready. What is a skeleton? What is a skeleton? What is a skeleton? What is a skeleton? Okay. Now get ready. What is a skeleton? Okay. Write the answer. The internal framework. Write the answer. The internal framework. The internal framework. The internal framework that bones provide to our body. That bones provide to our body. Provide to our body. Provide to our body is called skeleton. The internal framework that bones provide to our body is called a skeleton. Is called a skeleton. Okay. Is called a skeleton. Okay. Write this answer now. What is a skeleton? The internal framework that bones provide to our body is called a skeleton. Next one. Here you can change this question. What is a skeleton? What is a skeleton? Okay, the internal framework that bones provide to our body is called the skeleton. Right? The question is what is a skeleton, not what is the. Okay. The next one. What covers our bones and muscles? Which covers now? What covers? What it covers? Skin. Okay. What covers our bones and muscles? Bones and muscles. Okay. What covers our bones and muscles? You can write now. Okay, write the answer. Skin covers our bones and muscle. Which will covers? Yes, skin will covers. Skin, capital S, first letter, capital letter. Skin covers our bones and muscles. Our bones and muscles. That's enough. Okay, children, completed now. Write very neatly. So this answer. Finish. Next 3 question answers I will give you later. Okay, or else we will stop this all the 5 question answers. Second class we had completed the 5 question answers. Okay, now your turn is to learn and do the practice. Homework is learning. Only we will give the worksheet that you have to do it in the classwork, not in the rough books, children. Please do it in the classwork. Okay, children. So follow the question answers, do the practice, keep on learning the question answers practice. Question 1 time and learning answer 3 times. And without seeing, you can do the practice in your rough book. Okay. So I hope this class is very clear. Now your Dashera holidays is going to be start. So enjoy your holidays, but you have to complete my worksheets too. Then complete my homeworks also in holidays. Okay. Take care, children, all of you. Happy Dashera to all. Enjoy your holidays and complete my homework too. Okay. Thank you. Take care, children.